of the things you do is loosen up. See all the roots?
Oh, okay.
We are live here, the Codman Square CDC Green Infrastructure Training on site. Danilo, Luis, Kenny, Kevin or Kenny?
It doesn't matter.
It does matter, Kenny. And what's your name?
What's up, Moody?
And Dave.
And Dave. And you got Beth.
You have to move it just to
So
the.
you loosen the roots a little bit because the pot, it's called being pot bound. So the pot kind of keeps the roots from going outwards where they want to go, right? So they just kind of keep growing around the pot. So you loosen them up a little bit, and then you kind of put it in the hole.
Look at him. He's measuring these plants, making sure everything is on point for this beautiful housing being built right in the heart of Boston in Dorchester. Look at him. It's on point.